Performance sneakers with arguably the best cushioning around for less than $100. Here's my unboxing and quick review of the Adidas Pureboost DPR. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, and welcome back to another video. Last weekend, I went sneaker hunting in the outlet stores in Marikina Riverbanks Mall, and in particular, I was looking for a beater shoe, something that I can use for jogging or maybe for a bit of walking, but quickly transition to lifestyle activities without looking too shabby. So I got myself an Adidas Pureboost because that's the only thing that I can think of. The main reasons why I got an Adidas Pureboost are: one, it has the best cushioning around. I think nothing still comes close to Adidas Boost. Second, I knew I would get discounted prices at the outlet store. And three, it is a performance shoe that doesn't look shabby. The only con being that I can't be too choosy in the colorway because this is an outlet store, and the ones that go in there are those sneakers with colorways that are not too popular. Okay, so with all that out of the way, let's go to the unboxing. So this is a Pureboost DPR. I can see the colorway in the box. It's a light gray, and this is a size 9 US. The product number is CM8319. Let's do the customary 360 view. This is the view from the top, from the medial side, lateral side, from the back, and the sole. As I mentioned in the intro, you can get the Pureboost for less than $100. The regular price is about $120, but since these go under the radar with most of the attention on Adidas sneakers going to Yeezys and Ultraboosts, a lot of Pureboost sneakers end up at the outlet in about 6 months after release. All it takes is patience, and you can get a Pureboost at discounted prices. This Pureboost DPR that I got is the same as the other Pureboost variants in the sense that these are minimalist runners built for jogging in an urban setting with stripped down cushioning. This has thinner boost midsole and a wider forefoot area compared to an Ultraboost, which gives the shoe more response and aids in being able to change directions much more quickly, which you need to do a lot when jogging on city streets. This has a knit upper, which is not as soft as Flyknit but is comfortable nonetheless. This also has a suede lining and a flexible stretch web outsole, which not only provides good traction but also locks in the boost midsole to give the shoe great stability. Design-wise, the silhouette is sleek, so it is easy to transition from performance activities to leisure activities with this if such occasions would not give you a window to change sneakers. This is lightweight and adaptive, so I highly recommend. This is the perfect mix of performance and design that you can get at a low price easy. Only complaint that I have is the thumb. It's hard to fix it in place when wearing this, and it takes a bit of effort. If you are copying one, get a pair that is true to size. If you are in the Philippines right now, February 5, 2019, outlet stores and the Adidas web store have some Pureboosts at 30% off, which translates to about $90 a pair. And that's my unboxing and quick review of the Adidas Pureboost DPR. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.